Hey guys.
Alright, so basically ʀᴇᴅᴇ is a series we're doing. There's 5 videos so far in this, well, we plan to film 5 videos in this series. And basically what's going to happen is there's going to be a massive forfeit at the end of this series. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss a video. And enjoy part 1. Let's go! Oh my god! I said, bum bum bum. We are so talented. We are so talented.
Oh God.
Ah!
This building actually isn't that expensive.
What did you tell me? What did you do? Put a couple lights on there.
If you actually evaluate the actual...
Man said, I got the top 4 bills there.
Yeah,
with your flimsy bed.
That shit.
Man said, get him. Yo, tell me. The whole floor will break. I'm waiting for this shit to fall down. Wait for that, let's go. Yeah, man. Hey, COVID is real. Oh! Whoa.
You know what I mean, too? You know what I mean?
Hey yo.
Hey girl.
Oh, give it. Got the mingling, get that no ting-a-ting-a-ling. Yeah, come on, put up.
Hey girl.
Put me out here, repeat myself.
Woo!
This the unreleased. Let's go.
Yo, wait, no. This is the one too. I want to see the light.
It's fine. Yo, Toby, we need to
what he said doesn't make any sense. We can see ourselves and we can see the light.
That's true thing though. Oh.
What's good, guys?
Put it down, man. Oh, yo, get it.
It's stressing me out.
Yo, do you know what time we've been here since?
Oh, COVID is a real thing.
Good guys. Today, we're good stuff.
What's good, guys? We are +3 Entertainment. My name is Lamar.
Toby.
I am Gideon.
Basically, what we're doing today is a cook-off between myself and Gideon.
Yes, sir.
We're going to see who is the better cook. Toby will be the judge of our food. I am making chicken chow mein, and Gideon,
I'm making macaroni and cheese and hot wings. They're not even hot.
and they're not going to be good. So let's get to.
Wait, how long do we have?
Oh, sorry. Huh?
How long do we have?
We have. How long we got? An hour.
We have
60 minutes to cook a meal, right? People.
6, 0.
It's 6 o'clock. 3 more.
I'm at your spot.
Let's cook some food.
So, as you guys know, we are doing who is going to make the best meal. So let's head over to Lamar and see the ingredients she's got for us today. So Lamar, could you explain?
By the way, Lamar bought plastic cutlery instead of metal cutlery.
Listen.
When we're frying food, and it's gonna be on the hob. It's not about that. It is about that. You bought plastic cutlery. Yeah, you know.
Let's see what Lamar's doing here.
Right.
Now.
So I'm separating all the gunk from the chicken, all the hard bits, all the cartilage that we don't want to eat, like the white stuff right here. And I'm basically gonna cook down the chicken and fry it with my noodles.
So explain to me what you got here. What ingredients are these?
So I have spaghetti here, chicken chow mein, fried sauce. I'm cheating a bit, but whatever. I've got sage, I've got southern fried chicken and paprika. I've got salt and I've got black peppers.
Oh, sweet.
Yep. Gordon Ramsay in the house. What do you know?
So now we've got Gideon. What you got for us, brother? Let's see over here.
So today we got the mac and we got the pasta cooking. If you take a trip over here, we got the wings here. Like I'm gonna marinate. Put my love.
Is that soul? What type of love is that? Christian love. Godly love.
Put all of the seasoning. Put my love. Put my exuberate all of the energy through me. And put it on. Listen.
Is there a pastor in the house?
That's how you make good food. When you put your feelings into it. He's not doing it with love. Look how he's handling the chicken.
Okay, mate.
Why are you judging me? How am I supposed to do it with my foot? You twat.
My pasta's burning.
Yo, good. I'm glad. You don't have to cook. Look at you. You probably will burn toast. Look at you.
Oh shoot! Is it
So-
burnt? No, it's not burnt. It's not burnt.
If you guys are gonna ask me,
You're a fool. Go under the tap. Put your shit under the tap. You're a fool. Put your shit under the tap. Ah, my God.
Alright, it's good. It's good.
You're
Who turned this on? I didn't even turn this. Who put this on?
You're me.
Who turned this? Why would you do that? Why would you? What are you preheating?
The bowl.
Burnt me!
You burnt yourself.
Baby! You put it on the highest!
Yo, if I put it on the hand, you wouldn't
Don't burn this up, man. Oh, guys,
You burnt your own hand.
we're gonna be,
No safety, kitchen safety.
we're gonna be,
We taught you how to cook. Was it Frankenstein?
we're gonna be making.
Yo, when you say that's my mom, yeah? Walking on your victory.
I didn't even do just walking on your victory.
Oh my goodness. Can she go home into a refuge and do that?
You're gonna live.
You must not have kicked.
Can I way over to the wings? So if you'd like to see here, but to season up my wings.
Yeah.
Let me just check if my pasta's done.
Just shut up. See ya.
if you guys ask me who's gonna make the better food, 100% is going to be Gideon.
Lie!
Lamar can't even boil rice. He struggles to boil rice.
Lie!
So,
Why are you judging me?
well, because you can't boil rice. So.
What are you doing?
Oh, did I burn you?
All right. 60 minutes, guys. Come on.
If we don't burn this kitchen down my morning, that's.
I was so proud of you.
We're making such a mess.
So, guys, after over 60 minutes, we now have the finished product. So right here, let's get that right. Right here, this is Lamar Morris's. What do you want to call it, mate?
This is Lamar's special, homemade with love, chicken chow mein.
And over here, we have some nice succulent.
This is the
wings.
professional macaroni and cheese.
There's no cheese on that. There's no cheese on that, brother. I'm
That's
not
not even-
gonna allow you
That's
to.
not even stir fry.
Yes, it
That's
is stir fry.
That's not even stir fry. That
What
wasn't.
is
That
it?
wasn't.
No.
Those noodles
You wanna
weren't
get
even-
real? You left that pasta out all night. No. Let's get real. Let's get real. You're not judge me. Mac and cheese, yeah? When you see a pinch of cheese on that piece of shit, that dry, that more pasta. But love, you left that shit out there all night. But make me love. Yo,
Cool.
get out of here, man.
So,
You're a fool.
basing
I didn't know
it,
it.
basing it off presentation. Basing it off presentation. So right here, this is Gideon's. He just put pasta there with a bit of seasoning and just dumped the wings
Bro,
on
by the
top.
way, I put the seasoning there.
Lamar has a nice seasoning around it. He actually decorated it nice. He's got some nice colours. So off decoration, I'll give the winner to Lamar, but now it's time to taste. So
Ooh, taste test.
cool. So first I'm gonna taste Lamar's one.
Here we go.
Let's get the chicken. Let's get.
You don't want to heat it up first?
No, I'm
Don't
good.
eat the carrot. Don't eat the carrot. Don't eat any of the
What?
veg. Don't eat any of the veg.
Why?
It's still frozen.
Oh, exactly.
Chill out. Chill, yeah, we need to get this done.
Yeah, get the noodle.
What is it?
Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Toby, it's because of the. I didn't put. Nah, Toby. Try the noodles. I don't know why you're laughing.
No, it's time.
Yo, you haven't even. Excuse me.
Yo, now it's time. It's time for
Get it, Toby. You didn't even.
Why is it hard?
Be careful before you break the fork. Yo, that tough pasta. Yo, you can build a house.
Guys. We went to. Let's be honest. If we're gonna be honest. Let's be honest.
No, let me see Toby.
We went to sleep and left the food out. We are good. I mean, I'm a good chef. Yeah. I'm a good chef.
Toby, come on, man.
Have the pasta with the wings.
Go on, now take the pasta first. What's the pasta like, brother? How's the pasta, brother? How's the pasta? Compared to my own pasta, which you didn't even give her a chance. Yeah, hold on. The bin's over there. Did you forget?
Did you put the seed on top of the pasta without me?
What?
You put the seed on top of
Lamar did that.
Yeah, I'm trying to help you with your presentation.
I'm not eating anymore. None of you were. That is terrible.
Tough time never lasts.
Lamar
Lamar gets presentation.
How does Lamar get presentation?
Because you just dumped the pasta, bro.
No.
Yo, you both lose. You're both losers at the end.
No, but I won for the
This
presentation.
is disgusting.
I won for the. Hey, shut up,
This is
man.
what you're gonna feed your children. This is what you're gonna feed your children.
No.
This is rank.
Hey, listen.
Yuck.
I say yuck. Let me see you do better, huh? Pounded yam and that goosey, please,
Yeah,
man.
G. Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly,
G.
exactly.
Whoop your way, whoop your way. You got barbecue wings. Whoop your way.
About Demi.
Demi.
So, guys, there it is. We are plus for entertainment.
Yep.
As you can see, the food didn't go to plan. Presentation goes to Lamar, but
What about the chicken?
No,
What
hold on,
about
man.
the chicken?
No.
You know the chicken was fake.
we're plus for entertainment. See you guys later.
Nah, you know the chicken was fake.